In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Grammarly account in just a few simple steps. If you want to start improving your writing, checking your grammar, and making your content look more professional, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the Grammarly homepage loads, look for the Sign Up, its free button. Click that to begin the account creation process. Now you'll see the sign up form. Here, you can manually create your account by entering your email address, a password, and your name. Make sure you use an email address you can access because you may need it later for verification or login. Choose a strong password that you can remember, then fill in your name carefully. After entering your details, click Agree and sign up to Continue. If you prefer not to type everything manually, Grammarly also gives you faster sign-up options. You can choose Continue with Google if you want to link your Google account, or Continue with Apple if you are using an Apple device. These options can make the process even quicker because they automatically pull in your account details. Once you select one of those options, just follow the prompts on the screen. Grammarly will guide you through the remaining steps, and in just a moment, your account will be created successfully. After that, you'll be able to start using Grammarly to improve your writing, check your text, and explore the tools available in your dashboard. From here, you can begin using Grammarly on your browser, in your documents, or wherever you need a little extra help making your writing cleaner and more professional. If you ever want to get the most out of Grammarly, it's a good idea to complete your profile, explore the settings, and test a few writing suggestions so you can see how the platform works. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become with the features. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Grammarly account quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.